The WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper dash cam is a must-have for anyone serious about capturing high-quality driving footage. If you are curious about the latest price of this dash cam, you can check it out from the description below. Featuring a STARVIS 2 IMX678 front camera, it delivers stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring every detail on the road is crisp and clear. Its enhanced low-light performance makes it ideal for nighttime driving or challenging lighting conditions. This dashcam stands out with its 3-channel recording system, 4K for the front, 2.5K for the rear, and 1080p from the bumper. This means comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings, reducing blind spots and improving safety. The rear bumper camera is rugged and waterproof, designed to withstand tough weather conditions, making it perfect for both city driving and off-road adventures. The 12-inch mirror screen provides a convenient display of all recordings, while the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick and reliable connection to your smartphone. With the WOLFBOX app, accessing past footage, sharing clips, and reviewing recordings is effortless. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, letting you operate the dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel. Included in the package is a pre-installed 256GB memory card, so you can start recording immediately, plus GPS tracking for accurate location logging. WOLFBOX also offers dependable after-sales support and a 12-month warranty, giving you peace of mind with your investment. While the parking monitoring feature requires a separate hardware kit, the overall performance and versatility of this dash cam make it an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. Be sure to check the link in the description below to see the latest price and explore all the features of the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper dash cam. It's an investment in both security and peace of mind.